What's up guys, another day, another player. Welcome to our reaction video. But then before we start, kilalanin muna natin ang ating bida. He is a graduate of Hotel and Restaurant Management at University of Cebu. He works at TGI Fridays, Edinburgh, Scotland as a bartender for 5 years and Bulls Academy, Amsterdam as bar trainer. Wow, grabe, maganda rin ang credentials ng ating bida. Currently, he's doing bar consultancy at Palawan and Visayas area. He's doing freelance partnership under Besaware, Candaya Resort, and 360 Promotion. Local affiliation, PBL, Philippine Bartenders League, Cebu Chapter. He is also part of Guinness World Record 2011 held at London, the most number of bartender who do the synchronized flare, more or less 300 bartenders. Wow, talaga naman. He also joined the biggest flare bartending competition in UK, Roadhouse, 2010 and 2013 representing Philippines. Grabe. Talaga naman nagpakitang gilas ang ating kababayan sa United Kingdom. Local competition 20, champion 12 and the rest placer. International competition 11, champion 1, first place 3 and the rest finalists, all held at UK. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Rogelio Bedolido Jr. Ito guys, si Rogelio, una ko itong nakita sa Cebu, sa Sepbex, no? Student pa lang siya during that time, and that time nakitaan ko na talaga siya ng potentials, pero ibang iba yung batuhan niya before versus dito sa napapanood nyo ngayon. So ngayon masasabi ko, every time na nakikita ko yung mga upload video nito ni Rogelio, grabe yung creativity niya. So panoorin nyo mabuti guys, itong 3 battles routine niya, napakaswabe niyan and very unique yung style niya sa pagpe-flare. Malaki rin siguro yung impluwensya ni Tom Dyer nung nakasama niya sa UK. Ito guys, i-highlight natin yung 1 battle and 1 tin ni Rogelio. Ibang-iba eh. Napaka-smooth, napaka-suabe. Hindi mo siya mako-compare na ganun ka-difficult, pero yung arrangement, yung pagkakaayos ng routine niya, lumalabas talaga yung originality. Saka ibang-iba yung dating pag siya yung nag-execute nitong moves na to. Napaka-superb. So, salute sa iyo, brother. Ito guys, para sa mga aspirant, ang flaring kasi hindi lang basta pagalingan ng routine. So, kailangan talaga lumalabas yung originality mo. Na meron kang something, katulad nito, meron kang something na pwedeng i-offer sa mga judges at sa crowd. So, originality, creativity, smoothness. Ito naman guys, TGI Fridays time niya, Guinness Book of Record niya, and yung kanyang experience sa Roadhouse, and yung mga well-known player bartenders sa United Kingdom, sa UK na mga nakasama niya. Wow, Tom Dyer. So guys, isa na namang talentadong Pinoy ang napanood nyo ngayong araw na ito. So if you wanna see more action with Rogelio, follow nyo na rin yung kanyang Facebook page, Barman TV. And brother Rogelio, maraming salamat at pinaunlakan mo kami sa reaction video na ito. Marami ka na-inspired ngayong araw na ito. So, salamat brother, big respect, salute.